Hi, I'm Bex, co-founder of ph360, and I'm really excited to share with you today some of the brand new updates you'll see the next time you log into your app. Over 10,000 new healthy recipes are in our new and improved database. And even better, like no other app, each recipe is now ranked as to how good it is for you. All the ingredients are calculated together to give it a score to tell you if it's good or great or excellent or just okay for you right now. You can search until your heart's content, apply your preferences automatically, or type in a food and search exclusively for that. You can browse through snacks, lunches, breakfast, dinners, and even by type of cuisine. Go ahead and give it a go and then share your creations with us. I literally this morning just baked some of the cinnamon and banana cookies and they are delicious. Now you can create yourself a meal plan for the week. Choose your recipes and plan it all in advance, creating yourself a shopping list at the touch of a button. Simply choose how frequently you want to eat and then select your recipes from the brand new healthy recipe database. Just swap the recipes out if you change your mind or save your plan if you've absolutely fallen in love with it. Then print your shopping list or take your smartphone to the store and grab all of your healthy foods. And when it comes time to make dinner, just glance back at your app for the recipe. No more having to worry about what to eat when. It's all there for you. But you're in total control. It's completely your choice. Create your own tailored workout with one tap. Choose your duration, intensity, experience level, and even the equipment you're going to use. And then tap and voila! A personalized workout made just for you with exercises that you know your body is going to love. And if cardio is more your thing, then now you can work out with new friends in 15, 30 or 45-minute cardio workout classes. So jump into your app, look at all the new updates and let us know what you think of the new features. We would love to hear your thoughts because after all, ph360 and Shay are all about you. So have fun with it, enjoy, and I hope to see you soon.